Our exams just ended. Oh, this is cute.
Hi guys. So apparently we're going to the staircase to take a picture. It's like a bunch of us just casually walking around the school just to take a picture.
Are you vlogging? Our exams just ended.
조금만 더 이렇게 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 걷어질지 이제부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻한 oh, Baby I love you Baby I need you 아무것도만 해도 좋은 걸 I can't leave you I can't leave you 널 버리고 내가 제 어디를 가겠니 걱정하지 않아 널 왜 자꾸 밖에 나가고 싶어 좋은 것만 내게 보여주고 싶은 것 나도 알아 근데 난 이게 더 좋은 걸 눈치 볼 필요도 없이 너를 만져도 되고 재밌는 영화도 보고 편해진 연애가 걱정이 된다면 말해 편한 일상 속에서 행복을 못 찾을 건 부질없는 짓이 Yeah right now 난 이 보배 같은 너의 눈에 진주를 찾아서 네 바람 속에 있는 여름 날엔 혼자
Can you look at me? Can you say hi?
No, at Pasar Seni.
At Pasar Seni.
They should stop to take pictures of our friend.
I actually even bring a tripod.
I brought a tripod.
Human tripod. Cause like after this I'm gonna go back to Central Market. Oh no. Around the Central Market and I'm gonna buy some flowers.
Oh yeah. I want to buy flowers also.
You wanna come?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, we went to Rex first to take photo booths, right?
Yes. It's a must.
Baby I need you 이렇게 아무것도만 해도 좋은 걸 I can't leave you I can't leave you 널 버리고 내가 제 어디를 가겠니 걱정하지 않아도 돼
It's the only thing I
Oh, these are cute.
It's really cute. I like this one. This one is cute.
I love those. Here, we'll sign everything.
Yeah, just send
Just
everything.
us.
Yeah, and then we will just pick.
you remember Musa?
Definitely hungry. It's a hungry baby.
So hot here. It's very hot and it's very crowded.
I'm already sweating.
Same.
I think so. What are these blind boxes? There's tarot cards. Do you know how to read tarot cards?
Oh, it's a long line.
Oh wow, now it's like 2 more people. Cute.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just scrolling through all.
gangguan seksual dalam serius atau infeksi.
Hello. 今天เราในวันที่ February ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီနေ့ကအခုခဏလေးပေါ့နော်ဇိုနီယာနဲ့ pavilion မှာသွားပြီးတော့ထုတ်ဆက်ရှိရလေးလုံးဝဖြစ်ပါတယ်အစားတော့ကိုယ့်ကို pavilion ကြောက်ထည့်သွားမလို့ပဲဒါပေမဲ့ဇိုနီယာနဲ့ hang out လုပ်ဖို့တခါတည်းတစ်ချက်ခုတ်ပြအောင်လို့သူ့ကိုလည်း pavilion လိုက်မလားလို့ခေါ်လိုက်ကြအဲ့ဒါလည်း pavilion လိုက်ခဲ့မယ်ဆိုတော့နောက်ထပ် girls day out လေးဖြစ်ပါတယ် unexpectedly ပေါ့နော် pavilion မှာ I have a lot of things to do and I need to buy some stuff as well like hand sanitizers and I need to check out some stores so I'm gonna be heading to pavilion today and yeah, that's all gonna be this part of the vlog. So I hope this vlog is going to be like a few days after my exam and there's one big thing coming up, so I hope you guys stay tuned and see what's going on, and I hope you guys like the one of the big thing that is coming up, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so now it's 11:35. I'm gonna head downstairs because we're gonna meet at the gate. And my outfit for today is very simple, very blue theme, because we're gonna take a photo booth as usual. We wanted to have like our theme outfit because I like blue and she likes purple, so we're gonna be doing that. We're in our theme. I'm in blue, she's in our own colors. Yay! Photo booth namin ang kinalima. Remember?
Yeah, the miso fish thing.
We're waiting in line. I don't know.
You look so good though.
This is a new one though. It's like coffee factory. Coffee factory. It's so orange.
But then it was
So pretty. I don't know, like the whole day has been so tired. တနေ့ကမောမဟေးတကယ်တမ်းလှုပ်ရှားတကယ်တမ်းလှုပ်ရှားတစ်ခုပဲလာလှုပ်ကြအဲလှုပ်ရှား
พี่มองไม่เอาอยู่ค่ะ
ဦးပြမောင်ရယူရတယ်နော်
Thank you.